everybody, and thank you for stopping by. Today I have with me
Zariah
and
Bri'Yona.
And today we're making
Edible Playdough.
You heard it. Let's get started. Can anyone tell me how many ingredients we need today? How many?
2.
2 ingredients, that's right. Okay, so we need 2 ingredients for this craft today. And that is powdered sugar and frosting. Obviously, because of Valentine's Day, I do have chocolate. And what do you have?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. And what do you have? Vanilla. So, of course, because of Valentine's Day, we are going to add in some Valentine's Day sprinkles. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our little, well, I have a scoop. You guys have a spoon. I'm actually going to give you this one. Grab that one right there for me, babes. Okay, and we're going to take it, and we're going to get some powdered sugar. Grab a little bit of powdered sugar. Use it with the spoon. That's one way to do it, huh? Use it with the spoon. And we're going to put it in our frosting. Just like that. Good job, ladies.
I did it once.
It's okay. There's no wrong way. Good job, ladies. Okay. Then we're going to take our spoons.
Wait, what? Oh.
You see your spoon? And we're going to stir it up. Can we say it? Stir it up.
Stir it up.
Stir it up. Stir it.
Stir it.
Stir it.
Stir it.
Stir it up. Stir it up.
Why
Okay.
are you making a song?
Stir it up.
I'm spinning.
Yours is spinning. Okay, let's see if we can make all of our spin. You ready? You ready? 1, 2. You can wait for 1, 2, 3, go. Who can spin it the fastest? Let's go. Let's go.
Don't do that because my donut that fall out.
You don't want yours to fall out?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll use our spoons and stir it then. Not fun if you're not getting a little bit messy. Okay, can we just have a moment of silence?
Yeah.
For this beautiful sweater that I have on today.
Dicky.
Let's give a shout out to Grandma for getting me this gorgeous sweater for Christmas. You can continue now.
Short sleeves.
Yeah, me and Bree has kind of long sleeves, so we'll roll this up. There we go.
Mine, you can't see mine. No, you can't.
You can't see yours?
Can I see my little bit? It doesn't smell.
How does it smell?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Mine smell like banana. Oh boy,
Mhm.
it's nothing.
Mine smell like chocolate.
Chocolate is my favorite.
Chocolate's your favorite? Why do you like chocolate so much?
And mommy really loves to eat chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
I love to eat chocolate too.
Really?
And
Okay, what do you like better, chocolate or strawberry?
chocolate.
Chocolate? Chocolate or strawberry? It's a tough one, huh? Chocolate? Okay, do you like plain chocolate or do you like chocolate with nuts?
Chocolate with nuts. Chocolate, that's chocolate.
Just chocolate. even look like that when you said it, Zari. Can you tell them a little bit about yourself? How old are you, Zariah?
4.
How old are you, Bree?
4.
No way! Just
Both-
kidding, I knew that.
You both 4.
You're both 4. Can you show me the number 4? What does the number 4 look like? Good job!
4 is right there. Wait. Mine's already done.
Right there, you're right. Not yet, babes. It has to be
Like yours.
soft, but you want it to be stiff enough so that they can actually pick it up and play with it. So,
And you can eat it.
right. That's the best part about this, right?
But
Okay, so
you can't
we,
eat it all.
yeah, not at one time. Why
But
not?
you can't get it on your hippo so it don't stick to it.
What happens if you eat too much?
Your stomach gonna get hurt.
Your stomach is gonna hurt. Okay, so you actually need 1 cup of frosting for this recipe, and then 2 3/4 cups of powdered sugar. But we're just gonna.
Too much.
Nope, that's fine. So we're just gonna add it in gradually, a little bit at a time, just so that it doesn't like completely spill over the bowl. Huh?
Yours about to be gone.
Mine's about to be gone. That's because mine is a little bigger than yours. I'm using a measuring cup.
Oh boy, it got on my hands.
It's okay. So this is the texture of mine so far. Theirs is not quite there yet because I haven't put that much in, as much powdered sugar as mine, and mine's still a little bit sticky. But as you can see, you can hold it in a ball. So you want to put enough powdered sugar to where not only can you hold it in a ball, but you can also play with it without it getting sticky again. These up, I'm gonna help them mix up their bowls, and then we'll come back when we get done mixing. Okay guys, so we're back, and all we did was mix up our Play-Doh, and now we're gonna do the really fun part. Can anyone tell me what we're gonna do? What are we gonna do?
We gonna play with it, then we gonna put sprinkles, then we gonna eat it.
Yes, high
Then
five.
we gonna play with it.
And we're gonna play with it, right? So what sprinkles would you like to use? These, Auntie just bought these today. What sprinkles would you like to use? Oh, you said you wanted chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay. So take your sprinkles and put it in whichever one you want to put it in. You want to put it in your vanilla or your chocolate? Your chocolate one? Let's press down on it a little bit so that we can get the sprinkles in there.
Wait, the chocolate one.
Okay, you can press down on it a little bit. Good job. That's good. And then just, yep. And just dump you some sprinkles in. So as you can see, these are 2 4-year-olds. So this is something really simple that kids can do from all ages. As you can see, I have some powdered sugar here for them. Just in case it gets really sticky like that, we'll just add in some powdered sugar. It almost got in your face.
I got too much.
I'm sorry. It's okay. There's never too many sprinkles. You can never use too many sprinkles. Oh, let me show you something really fun we can do.
What?
So we'll sprinkle a little powdered sugar up there. And then Auntie's going to take the rolling pin. I'm going to press it in for you. How cool is that, right?
Look. Like you can definitely see the sprinkles.
Yeah, I have some heart-shaped cookie cutters here. This is actually a set that went with my piping bags where you can make like roses. And then we have some alphabet and numbers. So just take whatever you want and press it into. You gonna try it? You gonna try the strawberry? Did you try it?
Yeah.
It's pretty good?
Yeah.
Can I have a piece?
Yeah.
That's all you're gonna give me?
They're caring.
Can I have a little bit more than that? Thank you.
You got it.
I dropped it. I couldn't even put it in my mouth. Let me try it again. That's delicious.
So, it's so yummy.
It's so yummy, right?
Where about I was putting my hair.
Are you gonna taste yours, Bree?
After I get done with it.
After she gets done with it, is what she said.
Can I taste one? That's all you have for me.
But she's the same one that tried to give me that little piece. Now you see how it feels, huh? How's it taste? Yummy, right? So it tastes good and it's really fun, right?
Yeah.
So they should try it at home. Should they try it at home?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
And as always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. What do they need to do?
To give it a thumbs up.
To give it a thumbs up. What else do they need to do?
Thumbs up.
Give it a thumbs up and comment.
On the low.
And come back and see us next time. Can you say bye?
Bye.
See you later.